What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Dr. Nina, and it's been almost 17 years now that I've lost and kept off over 100 pounds. Look, that's crazy to me, but what I realize is a lot of times motivation has come and it's gone. It's not just easy to wake up one day and just be on fire for weight loss. Some days you don't want to do it at all. So today I'm going to share with you the 11 easy ways to stay motivated on your weight loss journey with your workouts, your meal prep, the other things that you have to focus on in order for you to stay your healthiest. And I want to hear from you. Let me know some of the principles and the things that you're using in order to stay your healthiest. And make sure you check out my links below for some of the items that I recommend that could be easy for your journey and fit in for you to be your most successful. Now let's get into this video. So I had to learn how to dabble in a few things. And by that, I mean, we often want to do the most when it comes to weight loss, but nah, you don't have to go overboard just to jumpstart. Let's say your friends are having success with keto. You don't need to commit fully. You could try a recipe or two and see how it works out for you. I would often ask myself what parts of something I want to experiment with. Now, I love intermittent fasting, but I know it's not for everyone. Instead of going all out with it, try going without breakfast for a week and see how it feels for you. See if you want to chew somebody's head off after going without breakfast. Experiment with new strategies that might get you excited about weight loss again. If that doesn't work, try something else. It can be just that simple. Nothing drastic is needed to move your weight loss in the right direction. So a lot of people think I'm just supernaturally motivated, and that's true, but a lot of parts of that I had to learn. I have to schedule motivation. It won't just happen for me. There's a reason why you have alarms and schedules for everything else in your life, so why not weight loss? I sometimes schedule an alarm weekly just to meal prep so that I know that it's time to get that done. I even set an alarm to grab snacks that keep me from giving into heavy cravings or extra salts and sweets. I also consider the time needed to get in movement and get into those workouts. I'm not always motivated, but that alarm helps me to remember when and why things are built into my day. Unfortunately, some of us set ourselves up for failure, and I've done it as well, believe me. But you got to create opportunities that lead to good choices. Plain and simply put, out of sight, out of mind. Make it hard to make worse choices for yourself. I like to make sure my workout stuff is out and ready almost every day. Instead of hiding in my closet, I make sure that my running shoes are out so I can see them, like next to the front door, so that you can't even open the door without pushing them over. You know what I mean? Keep your healthier fruits and vegetables and snacks in a bowl or close by, or where they're in eye line in your fridge so you see them first. Same for your meals. Prep them to include what you need to nourish, and don't include stuff that tempts you or makes you feel worse after eating it. And I don't need to explain it no further. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I had to learn to avoid the all or nothing back and forth. Look, I will admit I was super strict when I first started losing weight, and it led to some unhealthy-ish in my life. Some of these diets that are too restrictive, eliminate certain foods, or even worse, whole food groups are not great for us. Most of us end up walking around hangry, hungry, and angry. And they make it so if you eat any of the off-limit foods, you consider yourself a failure, and that's not okay. Guilt and shame will not help you maintain a healthy lifestyle, and it can actually make it harder to stick to positive changes. So when anyone had something to say about my food choices and how it might lead to me gaining weight again, I told them I had mastered my lifestyle and I was doing just fine. And one less than healthy meal was not going to kill my whole diet buzz. And with that, we gotta think big or macro. I indulge every once in a while, and when I do, I put that meal in context. I ask myself, how did you eat overall today, Nina? This week, this month? And if that answer is along the lines of pretty good, then I don't bother bully beating down myself. And I don't let other plate watchers do it either. And y'all know what I mean by plate watchers. Get you some business. And this is why I welcome so much variety into my diet through some of my choice meals with HelloFresh. And I'm happy they are partnering with me to bring you all today's video. HelloFresh recipes feature produce that goes from the farm to your front door in under a week, so you can savor summer flavors right from home. They offer a wide variety of quick and easy recipes that minimize prep and make cleanup a breeze. And it's up to 72% cheaper, yes, 72% cheaper than dining at a restaurant or grocery shopping. HelloFresh offers veggie, pescatarian, and fit and wholesome meals to make it easy to stick to your goals. HelloFresh recipes include pre-portioned ingredients that mean less prep for you and less wasted food, which I love because I get to try all this new stuff and learn all these new things and new ways to cook, and I don't have to waste a lot of stuff in the end. So go to HelloFresh.com and use code DrNina16 for up to 16 free meals across 7 boxes and 3 free gifts. Again, go to HelloFresh.com and use code DrNina16 for up to 16 free meals across 7 boxes and 3 free gifts. And speaking of variety in food, my motivation comes from at least trying a new food a week. And having a varied diet with different healthy foods is the best way to improve your overall well-being, and it keeps your taste buds happy. Now, I know I don't have to choose between a beef burger and a veggie burger, and a truly healthy diet includes room for both options. Even if I don't really eat red meat, there's chickpea, lentil, tuna, plant-based meat burgers, and everything in between. Now, I learned that buying some stuff actually helps me. Hear me out. Shopping is a powerful motivator, but baby, I make my fitness fly. Don't underestimate the ability of a new pair of running shoes, some leggings, weightlifting gloves, headphones, or even exercise streaming service to motivate you. I don't have to throw a bunch of money, but a small item does help when motivation is running low. And looking good does help you feel better and push harder. Through this process, it's important to lean on some real people, and I had to learn that firsthand. I had to set up some time to run or walk with friends, and they help to keep you accountable, and it's pretty sucky if you blow off friends that are expecting you to come and help them with something as well. Plus, a training partner may even double the length of your workout. Okay? All in all, stop telling people your weight loss business unless they are on a similar journey, understand yours, or can help you with the type of help that you need. My husband and I really support each other in our fitness, but so do me and most of my friends. It's important to have that support to keep you going. And when I've lost motivation in the past, I've learned to ask around. If what you're doing isn't working, try something new. I got away from the one program fits all mentality. I even asked fitness friends what they're doing and see if any of their principles or recipes make sense for me. That's how I found a lot of interesting programs and did things like ran a full marathon and other fitness and nutrition challenges. Those in your corner can help you. Look, try throwing the whole scale away or putting it away until you learn how to use it. I used to weigh myself every day, and that made my mind nuts. I learned that bodies fluctuate and it can't always be a measure of success. So instead, I check on how I'm feeling, how my energy levels are. I also ask myself if I feel healthier than the week before, and if my mood has changed or if I'm sleeping better. Success comes in many other forms than just those weight numbers. Just so you know, I did it. I finished the mentorship membership for you guys, and it's now live. Check the links down below to learn more about it, but it is full of courses, expert information, webinars, masterclasses, and everything with yours truly. So I'm so excited about this. This is my project, my baby, and I would love to share it with you. So make sure you check it out and join today. Check the links in the description for my free new Dr. Nina's Mentorship Facebook group, which is a group of like-minded individuals looking to progress, grow, and support one another along the way. The Now That's Life podcast is about to go into season 2, so I suggest you go ahead and subscribe to the podcast on all your major podcasting platforms. All descriptions and links for that and my free supernatural video course are found below. Thanks so much for all the love and support over on my new website. If you haven't already, go ahead and check it out and join me for new ways to interact with me, giveaways and prizes, weekly emails, as well as my free 8-day supernatural video course, which is free when you sign up.